Kylie Charlton of Charlton King Real Estate Agents, and this is number 44 Miller Street in Hyatt. It is a beautiful townhouse with 4 bedrooms, master on the ground floor. We've got ducted heating and ducted cooling, and we're within easy reach to everything that Hyatt offers. There is stone throughout this beautiful kitchen, and wow, look at this al fresco area. You can spend nights here, days here, enjoying the company of your family and friends. It's even got a strip heater, so you can still do it in winter as well. This has a beautiful floor plan and perfect open plan kitchen, living at the back. Lots of bedrooms, master bedroom with a walk-in robe and ensuite on the ground floor. Upstairs, there are 3 more bedrooms. We have a main bathroom and separate toilet, and this huge rumpus room as well. This is the perfect family home. We're also located within really easy distance to everything that Hyatt offers. The park at the end of the street is perfect for families. We have the Little Elephant Cafe only about a minute walk away, and we're so close to the cafes and all of the new shops and train station at Hyatt. But don't forget the beach. We're not too far from the beach either. I hope you enjoyed the tour of number 44 Miller Street in Hyatt. I'm Kylie Charlton of Charlton King Real Estate Agents. I look forward to seeing you at one of our open for inspections.